Gotta love coming home to truck parts. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Hi, Bentley. Hi. Alright. Shit out of the way. So, the AMP Research Bedstep. This is the first one. This one goes on the corner of the truck. They have the Bedstep 2, which I have on the way, as well as the Bedstep 2 also goes on both sides of the truck. So if you order the Bedstep 2, just go ahead. If you have the money, I would suggest just getting 2 so you can put them on both sides of the truck. My roommate has this Bedstep. He has all 3, sorry. The Bedstep on the corner as well as both sides of his truck, and it's actually very, very useful. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Warranty, yeah, no. Okay, so comes pretty well packaged. That's going to be one of the arms right there. Part of the bracketry. Looks like some hardware. Another part of the bracket there. Looks like the arm assembly that comes down. And I'm assuming that the actual step is down below here. Yep, there it is. So let's go out into the shop. All right, looks like I did miss one thing in the little warranty booklet here. Was this AMP Research sticker. Ooh, shiny, shiny, shiny. That goes right here. All right, let's get this day started. So this will be the first install video on my channel here. I hope to do a lot more. I know my truck is already modified and whatnot, but from here on out, I do have a lot of things that I want to do to the truck still. A lot of things that are coming soon on the channel, and a lot of things that I know you guys are gonna like. So please like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think, and let's get this party started. All right, so here at the shop, my friend Tom in the background, probably gonna be talking shit, but here is all the pieces all laid out, all the hardware, bolts, the mechanism that comes down, the step, you got your torque wrench, 3/8 drives, 21mm, 15mm, and 13mm, and a T25 Torx. First step, we're going to attach this bracket to the top of this. So next up, we got these 2 bolts to get out. They're straight up from, they're pretty easy to find. These 2 right here, we just need to loosen those up. Those 2 bolts that we took out, gonna go into the bracket here, then up onto the truck. Sir, could you fuck off? Don't mind Tom. He talks a lot of shit. Okay, so next up, this little bracket right here goes through the back side here has to line up for that hole so that we can be able to attach the support bracket from the truck to, or from the bumper, sorry, to the bracket itself. So what the bracket looks like in there. It's a little hard to do while trying to film, so I had to do it off camera. And then it basically lines up with our existing mount system here. Then you just bolt it on the back side there, which I have to do off camera again as well. So I'm not sure if it's different on my truck or if the instructions are a little off, but this bracket right here, the upper one, shows that it should be bending, I guess, towards the main bracket, basically bending in that way. However, when you go in here on mine, I don't know if it's, again, I don't know if it's different, but it actually bends the opposite way. All right, so last step is putting on the step here, your 3 Torx. It's gonna mount on the rear, the very end of it here, essentially. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like, subscribe, comment. I know it's a little bit short, but that's my first install video, and I know I got a lot more to come. I got a lot more ideas that I want to do for the truck and a lot more adventure. Let me know what you think. Not only my truck, but my sled as well. It's a 2017 Assault Polaris. I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.